Using the History tab within Workflows, navigate to the Workflow Builder and click into a workflow that you want to view the history for. In the top, you'll see a menu for Actions, Settings, Histories, and Status. Tab over to History. Here you'll be able to view the action logs. From the drop-downs, you can sort by date, action types, and statuses. You can view a list that will include contact information, actions, statuses, executed on, more details, and the execution log. For the contacts, this will allow you to view a complete history for the contact within a particular workflow. If the contact has been added to the workflow more than once, you will see all of the actions for each time that they were added into the workflow, so please make note of that. And additionally, under the More Details section, you may notice here that you can inspect the details of each action by clicking into it. And then, for the execution log, you can view the information for the contact within the workflow. Again, if the contact has been added to the workflow more than once, you can use the icon to the left of the contact to view the complete history within this workflow for as many times as they've been within the workflow. That's all for now. You're all set.